We have a caller on the line. Caller, so you have a question for our guest?
I'm looking for something specific that this guy is bringing to the table, because I'm just not hearing anything other than, I don't know how to say it, but just conversation, but no information.
Well, so why don't you give him a specific question you'd like for him to...
Actually, may I address that?
Yeah, sure.
What I'm bringing to the table is very specific. It's very concrete. And if you're really interested in finding out the truth, we invite you to go to ufodata.net, make a contribution, or sign up as a volunteer. If you want to know...
There we go. Okay, well, why can't you just say it on... I mean, this is... I'm sorry. You just lost me. I think you just lost everybody else. I ain't giving you a dime for anything.
You're interested in the subject?
That's all I wanted to
know
hear.
the truth or not? Are you
okay.
Get to the bottom of this or what?
Okay. Bye-bye. No. See you.
Okay, sorry about that. Let me just address this.
I'm sorry. I'm not sure what the guy expected me to say.
All right.
He expected me to come on here and say, yeah, there's aliens, under some airbase or something.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to do is...
Last December, the U.S. Defense Department declassified 2 videos documenting encounters between the U.S. Navy F-18 fighters and unidentified aircraft. The videos capture a group of pilots observing some strange-looking aircraft, apparently part of a fleet of such objects. Christopher Mellen is a former Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Intelligence in the Clinton and George W. Bush administrations. And he believes that these videos appear to provide evidence of the existence of aircraft far superior to anything possessed by the United States or its allies. Mr. Mellen, appreciate you talking to us. Just tell us a bit more about these videos for those who won't have seen it.
Well, these videos went through a process of release for public approval last August. They are from US F-18 combat aircraft. But I do want to make a distinction here. The evidence for what is occurring to the public and help make it more real so people can begin to get a sense of that. But the evidence comes from the aviators themselves. They come from multiple ships, planes, and aircraft that are simultaneously tracking these incidents in broad daylight. Now we have extremely compelling evidence, so we don't know where they're from, and that's the key, and that's the point. That's the big question we need to get to the bottom of.
This concludes our broadcast day. Good night, and God bless America.